I enjoyed it. I think it is relevant and I think this would be useful for me. Well, you mentioned in the training as well about social media, linking it back to the website, which we don't do. Initially we was very reticent to go into the world of social media. I have thought about looking back at Twitter because that didn't seem to work for us, but the conversations I've had today is that Twitter seems to work better for other schools, so maybe we did something wrong. I've been considering about doing a blog, not quite sure how to go about it or how to start it. When you link to the website, it's bringing the traffic and finding what all those stats are. And we don't do that, we don't monitor that, but it's developing and I'm learning all the time.